Hi, I'm Lauren with the Pikes Peak Library District, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple lip scrub with ingredients that you could find in your kitchen cabinet. So first up, you're going to need olive oil. Secondly, you'll need brown sugar. Then you'll need a 1/2 teaspoon measure and some kind of container that you can mix in. So the first thing we're going to do is measure out our brown sugar. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. So we have that in there, and now we're going to go ahead and do 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil. Alright, so now that we've got our brown sugar and our olive oil in here, we're going to use our teaspoon measure to mix it up. So you'll just go ahead and mix it in here, and the goal is to make a thick paste. So if you need to add a little more brown sugar or a little more olive oil to get to that good consistency, you can do that now. So then how do we use the scrub? Well, what we're going to do is take it with our finger and apply it to our lips. And you'll want to rub it in for about 30 seconds to a minute. And then you can take a damp washcloth and you can just wipe that off. And that's something that you could do about once a week because we don't want to over exfoliate either. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to make a really easy scrub from home.